Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name: green color, black color, yellow color, red color, blue color, and white color. Kids now coloring ABC when 1 to 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use green color. B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids again use green color and draw C. C for cat, C for car. D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids again use green color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids again use green color and draw G. G for goat, G for grapes. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids now draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J, and use black color. K. K for kite, K for king. L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids again use black color and draw M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. O. O for orange, O for octopus. Kids again use black color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids now draw R. R for rose, R for rice, and use yellow color. Yellow color. S. S for sun, S for snake. Kids again use yellow color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tire. U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids again use yellow color and draw V. V for van, V for vanilla. W. W for wallet, W for watch. X. X for x-ray, X for xylophone. Kids again use yellow color and draw Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids now draw numbers, and first draw 1 and use red color. The numbers of 1. O. N. E. 1. 2. T. W. O. 2. 3. T. H. R. W. 3. 4. F. O. U. R. 4. 5. F. I. V. E. 5. Kids now draw 6 and again use red color. S. I. X. 6. 7. S. E. V. E. N. 7. 8. E. I. G. H. T. 8. 9. N. I. N. E. 9. 10. T. E. and 10. The last draw 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.